Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit the outdoor portrait and I'll show you how to make the autumn color or orange color with this photo. Okay, this photo I downloaded from the internet and I'll give you the download link of this image in my video description, so don't forget to check it out. And as usual, I'll just add some shadow and highlighting for this image. That's why just I'll make two copy of this photo and I'll give one is B for burn and another one is D for dodge. Turning off the D layer and select the B layer and go to the blending mode in skin and just go to the right options and blending options. From the blending option you will get the slider over there, and slide this slider and find out the highlighted area of the face and press the Alt button. The slider will divide and adjust the light with the face and hit the OK button. After that, select the D layer and just make blending mode multiply and just blending options and find out the shadow area. Just press the Alt button and adjust the shadow with the face and hit the OK button. Both two layer we have to make mask. At first I am turning off the D layer and select the B layer, mark this one and go to the image and apply image and hit the OK, and turn on D layer, mask this one and go to the image and apply image. For this case just tick the invert option and hit OK and select these two layers, make it group and just mask this group and go to the image and apply image. In this case uncheck the invert option and hit OK. You'll get subtle change of this image. You'll get the highlighted options in this image. Okay, but one thing is that this area just gonna just highlighted. That's why I'm taking a blank layer and going to the just gradient tools and just go to the gradient options like that, the last gradient, and I'm just press the shift key and hold it and just give some gradient and press T for transform this one. Okay, and making it bigger. Okay, and hit the OK button. But here is light or just a line over there. That's why I'm going to the filter and going to the blur and Gaussian blur. Okay, and hit the OK button. Okay, the highlighted area is just covered with the gradient. This one is the common technique. Okay, make the copy of this background layer and select all the layers and make it group, make it merge. After merge this one, go to the filter and camera raw filter. From the camera raw filter I will adjust the color. Actually I'll do color correction for this image. Okay, at first the green color is prominent here, that's why I'm going to the HSL options and turning the green color, just saturation down and luminance down, and hue I'll make like that. That's good. And here is our aqua color. You can change aqua color. Okay, I'll increase the luminance of aqua color, blue also. And here is a red color in a lips. I am just luminance down of the red color and saturation, add some saturation of red color. Okay, after that going to the camera calibration. Here is primary blue color. I'll add primary blue hue like -50% and saturation +43%, but phase is red. For that reason I'll just work with the primary red color and adjust the warm. Okay, that's good. And primary green color I'll just add like that. That's good. And primary red I have to work with it just because because of primary red is prominent here. Okay, and again HSL options. From the saturation panel, I'll reduce the orange saturation and down the luminance of orange, and down the luminance of red also for the lips. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to the amount of sharpening, add some amount of sharpening, and add some luminance of noise reducer, luminance of color, and contrast also. And from the basic panel, I'll de-highlight the face a little bit, add some whites and reduce some blacks. From the face, I'll just desaturate the orange color more and add some luminance of orange. Okay, that's good. And hit the OK button. It will take time. Okay, that's good. And this one was our previous image, and after color correction this one is good. Okay, after that, going to the adjustment layer, color lookup, and adding the horror blue color. After adding horror blue color, just I'll make it overlay and reduce the opacity. I'll make the opacity 20%, that's good for that. Okay, and making it group, making it merge. After making it merge, I'll go to the filter and Nick collection Color Effects Pro 4. From the Color Effects Pro 4, I will add another filter, and that will increase the beauty of this image. Actually, color correction is very important for the image. Okay, I'm using the cross processing filters, and here are lots of filters. You can use warm filters and other filters. Okay, from here I'll add this filter, or you can choose another filter from here. Lots of filter. Okay, that's good, that's nice. Okay, I'll use this filter and hit the OK button. You can just increase the strength of the filter. Okay, hit the OK. It's loading. Okay, after that I'm going to the adjustment layer and the levels. From the levels, I'll just adjust the lights, and from the another adjustment layer, I'll add curves. Just add the vignette of this one. After that, just making the group, making it merge, and I'll go to the filter and camera filter again. From the camera filter, I'll add sharpening, amount of sharpening, and add some luminance of noise reducer, contrast, and other things. And I'll go to the camera calibration, primary blue, I'll add like that. And from the HSL, I'll reduce the red color and increase the luminance of orange, and blue and aqua, I'll reduce the luminance. And from the basic panel, I'll add some contrast and hit the OK button. Okay, that's good. Let's see what was the previous one. This one was our previous image which I downloaded from the internet, that was not in a mood or that color correction. And in this image you are getting the color correction and the artistic effects. Actually this one is autumn effect, or you can call it the Moody effect or VSCO effect, whatever you can tell it, but this one is nice for your photography. And thank you so much, thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section, or you can contact with me with the social media. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out.